I was just looking on the Aferiy P280, and it's been charging like from this morning, and it's supposed to cut off at 95% because I want to keep that 5% like in reserve and to protect the battery. Anyway, yeah, of course it is plugged into the mains AC for charging, and I just looked and it's gone all the way to 100%, like totally bypassed my 95% max setting. So does anyone know like what's going on or how to stop that? I mean, the only thing that I can think is that I have got the AC sockets on the Aferiy P280 turned on, so it's the only thing I can think it can be, that when the AC sockets, the outlet is turned on, they just it bypasses the your charging settings, which is like just stupid. Again, it's this it's called UPS, and it just bypasses everything else, and I don't understand why. It's just a massive, I'm just finding it a massive flaw in the system now, and really annoying. Like, it's the same as well when you yeah, when it's plugged in charging and you turn on a device like a microwave, it bypasses the battery and literally just takes like the power straight from AC, like from the mains. So I mean, you can't have the thing plugged in like at all, like the charging cable. You can't have it plugged into the mains. Otherwise it just pulls straight from the yeah, the grid, like I say. And that seems to be, like I've just found out as well, that if it's plugged in, if the charging cable's plugged in, it also bypasses the the battery. I don't know what it's doing. To be honest, I ain't got a clue what is going on with this machine. There's just some things that just don't add up with it, and it needs sorting out really. They need to, yeah, make some improvements and updates on it. Anyway, I might do a video about that on on my YouTube and explain it a bit better, because it is a bit of a headache trying to explain it and work it out all at the same time. Anyway, it's a nice day today. We've got like loads of solar, so, and my batteries are already full. They started charging at 5 o'clock this morning, and they was charged, fully charged by 9:30. So there you go. Have a good weekend.